Well, here's one for you, Chandler. There's this bird that just keeps trying to fly near this light and fly near me. Look at this thing. What is he doing? What in the world? This thing's got bird flu or blind or something. Look at it. What are you doing, fella? I guess he's sick. I don't know if I should try to catch it and maybe put it in a box. I don't know. Oh, there's something over here. Must be a rat. Where you at, Mr. Bird? There you are. I don't know if I should catch this thing or not. Just tell me what you think, I guess.